Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can hide a folder? Okay, so how we can do that? We have a folder here, a new folder. Let's right click on it and go to properties, and now you can see hidden. Okay, so just check this option and it will hide your folder. Okay, so let's apply, and okay, it asks for your subfolders. Okay, that's okay. And okay, and now you can see the folder is gone and you want to see again it. So open the file explorer. Okay, and click on three dots and options. Here go to view. Okay, and you can see here show hidden files and folder. Okay, if you check this option and apply and okay, you will able to see. Let's apply and okay, and now you can see here we have a new folder. Okay, it also work like this. If you go to view and show options and hidden items. Okay, let's uncheck it, and you can see the folder is gone again. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.